Hey there. Hi there, Internet. Hey there everybody, and welcome. Hope everyone is keeping well and being safe during these times. So what I wanted to do today was try out some resin dyes that I bought and a couple of molds I had gotten from eBay. I got this puzzle mold, as well as this tiny little fish mold, which I hope to incorporate in some other things that are coming soon. And along with these things from eBay, before the great shutdown started, I also picked up some Color Pour brand resin from Michaels. I think this is a new product, so I wanted to give it a try. This is their 4 transparent, and it seems to be the warm colors. I don't see where the color names are listed, so I think you just have to go by what's on the shades that are on the label. So it seems to be coral, red, gold, but not like a shiny gold, maybe that's orange, and a yellow. So we'll check these 4 colors out in the 4 puzzle molds, and then maybe make a little orange goldfish out of this mold, and see how it goes. I'll be using Alumilite Amazing Clear Cast today as my resin product. Alright, so I stirred that for 4 to 5 minutes and scraped the sides. Made it to where I don't think there's any more swirlies in there. Now let's open up these bad boys. So each is a 0.3 fluid ounce or 10 milliliters of each color. Doesn't have a whole lot of information on the package here. They're transparent, they're warm colors. That's what the package looks like. And so I've got these silicone baking cups here. I'm just going to pour some of my resin in there, add a drop, I guess. 1 or 2 drops, I have no idea how much to add to each one. In there, stir it up, and put it in the mold. Let's get started. Do hope that's enough for each puzzle piece as well. We learn as we go, right? It's got color in the tip. There seems to be a hole there. You may need to go find a pin. Ah. Yep. Nope, I don't think it was pierced, or maybe I'm supposed to trim it. I think that did it. I have a fear it's gonna explode now. There we go. Seems like a lot. No, that was not a lot to do. Maybe 3 drops? Nope. That's really quick now. It's like it disappeared. And that might be the nature of yellow. Let's do 3 more drops. See what we can do with that. Looks like I introduced a good amount of bubbles into my mix there. Oh man. It's like super bubbly. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I poured too much resin in this one anyway. Oops. Wow, I gave it a squirt. guess I'll let that one sit for a minute. Next. This looks like an orange. Let's do at least 6 drops, right? Oh, great. Need another stir. This one is so much richer, wow. Hardly needs any mixing, it seems. So let that set. Yellow is still super, super pale. I don't like it. When I first drop it down, that yellow along the edges, that's what I would like. But as it gets mixed in, it's like it disappears. Alright, next one. This appears to be... The last one was orange, but I thought that was like the goldy brownie one. Oh, this is maybe a pink? I don't know. Yeah, this looks like a pink. Very vibrant. Not a huge pink person myself, but I do think it's a pretty color. Makes me think of like strawberry syrup or something. Something very, very sweet. So this may be very good for some of my sweets molds. I got some ice cream cones and ice cream pop things. Icicles. This would be a good color for icicles. Next, I guess this is a deep red. Every single time. Every single time. Though, in this little spout, it looks greenish yellow, so not sure what's going on there. Can you see that? It's very strange. Oh, that red color went away. This was pretty vibrant. Probably be enough. Wow, this is like deep blood red. Let's see how it looks when it spreads out a bit. Wow. Bubblegum pink, definitely. This is like a coral. Not so much orange. So I don't really have an orange. I guess in order to get orange, I guess I can do the yellow and the red together, but this yellow, there's like no color to it. No strength. Alright, and into the molds we go. Well, that didn't take much resin. I got some additional molds set to the side to put mascara in. Next. Oh, the bubbles I introduced seem to have gone out, but maybe they're just small. Oh, the red's got a lot of bubbles in it. Uh-oh. Bubblegum pink. I see bubbles as it's going in there. Yellow just got a little bit darker. Fate won't be the wiser. feel like if I take this little pointy thing and stick it into the corners, it'll dislodge bubbles, but I don't know what I'm doing. It's the thing, I hope it doesn't burn the mold. Alright, cool. So this one is ready to set aside. Next I'll give me the orange. So this one, red, orange, pink. Alright, so it's not a coral. It must be, it looks coral because of the purple, maybe? The purple tint of the baking thingamajiggy. Let's put some, whatever's left of this orange into this little tiny fish mold. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get this in there. It's so delicate looking. Come on, little resin. Go in all the little corners, please. Let me try to attack it with this pokey thing. Also known as a toothpick. Come on. Go in there and stuff. And have to give it a little red in the center on the tips of its tail. Maybe so transparent we won't be able to tell, but it does appear that it's going to be nice and clear, transparent, like crystal clear. Almost like it's made for this. It's a charm, and there's a little loop up here. I can't tell if the resin's really going around that loop or not, but I'm hoping there's no big bubbles along the bottom and that this is going to come out really cute. I've also seen people do like this. Or like this. Try to coax the resin down into all the details of a mold. Please don't destroy my mold. I think I do see bubbles. But just where it hasn't blended the two colors. I don't know. Wish me luck. We'll 24 hours from now we'll check them out and see what's what. Hey there everybody! So it's been more than 24 hours and it's been about a day and a half, and we're ready to demold these puppies and see how these dyes did. So this is by far and large my favorite part, is the demolding. Wow, this one was popping out real easily from this mold. Or I thought so. Alrighty. So the mold looks pretty nice. You have a nice shiny result on his inner edges, which I like quite a lot. The dyes, the orange didn't come out that orange, and the gold came out, the yellow came out more yellow than it seemed at first. Actually, let me use this so we can better see these colors, yeah? The red is nice and deep. Nice deep ruby or blood red. The orange comes out a little bit more like a golden yellow. And the pink came out really light. Much lighter than it looked at first. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that, but my casting came out with a bunch of micro bubbles. Little tiny micro bubbles everywhere. The red seems like it has less. I don't know, so maybe it has to do with the way that I stirred them. Now let's see about the fish. breaking it away from the edges there. I have no idea what it's going to look like, how intricate it is on the inside. This was another eBay mold, and I think the pictures were not all that telling. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's really quite cute. Get it on something more white. So it looks like he's a little chubby fish. He's got eyes. He's got a little ring to make him a charm. It looks like it's really delicate. I think it would definitely want to break off there. And just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and demold. Once I was done filling up these guys off camera, I went ahead and filled up some additional items with all the extra resin I had mixed, all the extra colors. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out too, because demolding is just so much fun. So that pink along that edge, you can't see it very well because the pink came out so pale. These swirls are kind of cool. I like that. Sweet. So what do you guys think? The yellow came out darker than expected. The pink came out paler. Might be a matter of I mixed a lot more yellow in than any of the other colors. The orange came out, yeah, it's fine. A little bit more yellow than orange, I suppose. But if you wanted a deeper orange, just add more red. Just add a touch of red. And then my cute little fish. If you can see, I ended up using a lot more yellow than the other colors. So that was a little test of color pour resins, warm colors, transparent dyes. Tell me what you think. Do you think they did a good job?